What happens if someone sends a message and later claims they never sent it? This is the problem that non-repudiation solves. Welcome back to CyberMigos. Today we're explaining non-repudiation and why it is an important concept in cybersecurity. Non-repudiation. Non-repudiation means a sender cannot deny sending a message. There must be proof of who created the message. The denial problem. Without proof, a sender could send a message and later claim they never sent it. Digital signature. Proof. Digital signatures solve this problem. The sender signs the message using their private key. So the sender can't deny sending the message? Exactly. The digital signature proves who sent it. Non-repudiation process. The sender signs the message with their private key. The receiver verifies the signature using the public key. Why non-repudiation matters? Non-repudiation is used in digital contracts, secure communication, and trusted software downloads. Key takeaway. Digital signatures provide proof of who created a message. This means the sender cannot deny sending it. If you want cybersecurity explained simply, subscribe to CyberMigos. New cybersecurity concepts explained every week.